Experiencing issues sending international SMS with ALDI Mobile? Let's tackle the most common culprits: incorrect SMSC settings and insufficient credit. First, ALDI Mobile operates on Telecom's network, meaning the correct SMSC should be 4917222000. You can verify this in your phone's settings. On Android, dial *4636* to access phone information and check the SMSC setting. Next, ensure you have sufficient credit. ALDI Mobile charges between 0.1 and 50 cents per international SMS, and running out of credit will block SMS sending. Check your balance via the ALDI Mobile app and top up if needed. Roaming charges can deplete your credit quickly, especially if you have automatic app updates enabled on cellular data. Addressing these two factors resolves the majority of international SMS failures. A significant issue arises when using SMS for two-factor authentication internationally with ALDI Mobile. If international SMS fails, you can get locked out of accounts. This is how SMS-based two-factor authentication typically works. You enter your credentials, receive a code via SMS, and enter it to verify. The core issue is the unreliability of SMS delivery across different networks, especially internationally. The recommended solution is to switch to app-based 2FA methods like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate verification codes offline, bypassing SMS altogether. If switching isn't immediately possible, ensure your ALDI Mobile account has sufficient credit and a correctly configured SMSC. However, for long-term reliability, especially when traveling, moving away from SMS-based 2FA is the most robust solution, as experts like Bruce Schneier recommend due to security vulnerabilities with SMS 2FA.